Hello guys, my name is Hasim and in this video I'm gonna show you how to create your own blog and start earning. So doing anything and earning is not a very easy task. It takes so many steps and some patience too. So in this video you can learn how to create a blog, but on the spot you can't start earning. You have to wait. That means you should have some patience. So you should have a patience for about 2 to 3 months, and after 2 to 3 months you can start earning. You can't earn in just a single moment after watching this video. So let's start by showing you how to create blogs. So you should have your own blogger ID, or you can create your own website. Choosing the method of blogger ID is very easy. So type in blogger, so it will take you to this, or else you can click over here, then click more, then you can find blogger over here. You can choose any method you want. Taking this method will be easy for you in the future rather than typing. So type in your previous password, not previous, your Gmail password, because this blogger is connected to your Gmail account. I have saved my password because I don't want to type my password again and again, and it's very safe too. So it's gonna ask me to confirm your profile. So create a Google Plus profile. If you have a Google Plus, you can directly go into that step. So I'm here, yeah. Then click upgrade. Then proceed using. After you click upgrade, it will take you to the next step, that is get started, guys. So your Google Plus account will be created right now. I don't want to create right now any name or school, so just I'll be continuing, finishing it, continue anyway. Then by this your Google Plus account will be created. Then you'll be taken to your blogger account. So guys, we are back. We are blogger account. So when we were taken back to the blogger website, so I've not customized my photos and some things like that. So continue to blogger anyway. Click on it. Left click, guys, of course. Then your blogger account will be loaded. Then the website will be looking like this. This is kind of a helping thing. So your blogger account is being created. Then for creating blogs, just click on it. Then give a title to your blog. Like I'm giving the title as, what should I give? Of course I give my website title like Gamer Technology. Then my address will be, start writing a name, don't write www, don't start with www, just write address. Like I'm writing gamer dot blogs, actually gamer dot, no, you can't use dot or this stuff, symbols. You can see it's gonna give some error thingy. You can only write words, you can't even write dot. Yeah, you can write dot, I guess. Yeah, you can't write dots. You just have to write your name with numbers. You can't write any dot or symbol like that. So I'm writing Gamer Technologies. Gamer.technologies. So it has accepted. Let me think. No, it's not accepted. So technologies. Then take any templates. Choose randomly any template, because in the future I'm going to show you a video where you can customize this template. Using this template is where you have to customize your blogs too. So just I'm gonna take the random selection, then click blog. Then the blog is being created, and the blog has been successfully created. Just a second. Then by this method you can create your own website in just a few seconds, but earning on this website takes a lot of time. As I said guys in the starting, that earning from blogging needs some patience too. You can't earn in just a few moments. Then learning this also takes some few minutes or hours. You can't just watch the video and learn. If you want to know everything about this stuff, so make comment down below. I'll make a new video for that too. So just click new post, and after clicking new post you'll be taken to this thingy. Your HTML is already created guys. See, that's Gamer Technologies blog. So your HTML is already been created, the website is been created. Just the thing is, your post, just write anything like I'm writing welcome to Gamer Technology, of course. Then I'll give a title to it, echo. Then click publish. It's so easy guys. After publishing, just create a post on it. So I'm not sharing it because I have created something randomly. So refresh it, your post will be seen. See, welcome to Gamer Technology. So easy. You can even add videos, or else you can hyperlink this text, or else you can add some pictures too. In the future I'll be uploading more videos like this for customizing your blogs too. So you can also customize your templates. I'll be making for video for that too. So finally guys, your blog is being created, and for earning in blog, you just have to go to your AdSense account. You have to also create your AdSense account and then click sign up for AdSense. I am not signed up yet for my AdSense account. Either you can create your post, then click for sign up for AdSense, because even after signing up for AdSense you cannot get qualified, because you did not make new blogs yet. So you have to make blogs. And guys, also I'm gonna say you guys that in your blogs, don't and never try this to copy your blogs from other accounts. Means don't copy anything text, any other text from other, like going to Google, then going to Wikipedia. I'm just going to give you a demo guys. Going to Wikipedia, then when you are in Wikipedia, you'll be thinking let's copy everything from Wikipedia, and you'll be copying guys. So mistakenly this hyperlink test is also related, means connected to this Wikipedia channel, and also when you copy, it will say that this thing is copied from Wikipedia. So don't even think to copy it. If you copy, you may get more views, but you cannot get qualified by the AdSense. It will never accept you for in the futures too. Even after you hack it, your AdSense account will never be getting qualified. So thanks for watching guys. If you like this video, like it, and also comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.